Hi, I am Suad, and welcome back to Stronger Every Day. If you are tuning in for the first time, I am so glad you're here. And if you have been with me, us, on this journey, welcome back. This is a space where we get real about life's messy parts, the doubts, the setbacks, and the quiet moments where we wondered, is it too late for me to start again? Let me tell you something. I wish someone told me years ago. It is not too late. You are not behind. You are not broken. It is okay to start over at any age, any stage. And today, we are going to talk about how to do it and why it is one of the most powerful things you will ever give yourself permission to do. There was a time when I stayed in a version of my life that didn't fit me anymore. I kept pushing. I kept showing up. I kept pretending it was fine. Why? Because I didn't want to waste all the time and effort I did already put in. I was scared of what people could think. I didn't want to feel like I was going backwards. But you know what's worse than starting over? Staying stuck in something that no longer serves you. The moment I choose to begin again, even though I was scared, everything shifts. And it taught me this. You are allowed to rewrite the story. You are allowed to say that chapter taught me, but it is time for a new one. So if you are in a season of starting over, here are truths I want to remind you. Write this down. Speak it to yourself. Come back to them anytime you forgot who you are. One, you are not starting from scratch. You are starting from strength you carried, experience you carried, your wisdom you carried, your resilience you carried only comes from surviving what you thought will break you. Say this out loud. I am starting from everything I have learned, not from zero. Two, comparison will steal your courage. Let it go. Maybe you are watching others who seem ahead, but their journey isn't yours. And success isn't line, it is personal. The most powerful thing you can do today is stop measuring your beginning against someone else's middle. Focus on your lane. Focus on your next step. That's where your power is. Three, this is not the end. This is your becoming. You are not too old. It is not too late. You have not missed your moment. The dream is still valid. The healing is still possible. The joy is still waiting for you. You are allowed to begin again with softness, with courage, with hope. Let's make this real. What is one area of your life where you are ready to start over, even if it takes one small new step? Comment below. Let's speak it into existence together. We rise stronger when we rise together. We are not behind. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming every single day. Starting over doesn't erase your past. It honors your growth. It makes sure you are listening to your life and choosing the truth. So wherever Whenever you are today, or wherever you are today, give yourself permission to begin again. No guilt, no shame, just grace. If this message moved you, share it with someone who needs the reminder. Subscribe so you never miss a moment of stronger every day. And tell me in the comments, what are you ready to begin again? You're not behind. You're becoming. And I am walking with you with love. Always, Suad.